A message from Yusuf, Azizullah, CEO of Global Board Advisors Corp., an ESG NetZero digital transformation company. Board of Directors Strategy Courses. Sign up at boardroomeducation.com. In this video, we will look at easy ESG career tips to apply to your day-to-day job. The slower economic growth facing the industries. Discuss some of the challenges of ESG. Strategy considerations with net zero transformation. And how digital transformation can enhance competitive advantage. There are a lot of things happening in the world right now that are making it hard for people to pay their insurance premiums. For example, there is the war in Ukraine, COVID recovery, the energy crisis in Europe, droughts, and skyrocketing food prices due to inflation. This is causing people to have less money available to pay for their insurance, and as a result, many people are defaulting on their payments. This is also affecting insurance underwriters because they are not receiving as much money from premiums and some policies are being lapsed. As the insurance industry enters a new digital transformation era, AI technology is critical in driving innovation and improving business processes. AI-powered solutions, such as chatbots and automated claims processing, help customers have a better experience, help insurers do their work better, and make more accurate risk assessments. There are some excellent innovations that insurance underwriters and large companies are doing. We can learn from them and do them in our jobs too. This will help us with environmental, social, and governance. ESG. Many companies are using carbon credits to meet their sustainability requirements and net zero emissions goals. Carbon credits are being sold on stock exchanges as a way for companies to offset their emissions. The London Stock Exchange recently launched easy listing guidance for companies that issue carbon credits. Carbon credit trading is a way for companies to balance their emissions levels by buying or selling credits from other companies. The goal is to get to net zero emissions, where businesses offset all the carbon they produce. However, many of the claims by companies that they will be 100% carbon-free by 2030 or 2050 are false. Companies are getting fined by regulators for claiming to be sustainable when they're really not. This is called greenwashing. Our CEO Yusuf knows a lot about digital transformation in ESG. He teaches other CEOs and executives about it. People who have gone through his course say it is very helpful. Many people in charge of big companies have praised his work. Our CEO Yusuf spoke with a Global 100 CEO on ESG strategy. Yusuf heard that the CEO of a very big company is feeling a lot of pressure. He has to explain to the people who have invested money in his company how the company will make money and do good things at the same time. If he can't do this, then the investors will take their money away from the company, which could be really bad for everyone involved. The CEO is trying to find a solution before it's too late. Insurance companies can use artificial intelligence to help automate claims. This means that the company would get information from the customer about what happened, and then the AI could help fill out the paperwork. This would be much faster than having a person do it. There are two examples of how insurance companies are using artificial intelligence. One is to automate claims, which can save the company a lot of money. The other is to use machine learning to predict the likelihood of flooding, which can help them accept more cases and improve efficiency. Another example of AI in the insurance industry is property adjusters are using drones to help them assess roof damage and estimate repair costs in the USA. Digital transformation comes with risks to our cloud strategy and how we govern customers' data. Implementing strategies to protect against data breaches and cyber attacks is essential for the board and senior executives. Thank you for listening. You can find more information about ESG governance and best practices at boardroomeducation.com. This message is from our CEO, Yusuf Azizullah.